Welcome to Minity Maths. In this quick video we are going to look at the difference between rotational symmetry and line symmetry. Check the links provided for more symmetry videos. Here we have an equilateral triangle, where all sides are of equal length and all angles are equal. In geometry, symmetry usually means things match up. But did you know there are two completely different ways a shape can match itself? One involves mirror lines, and the other involves a spin. Here we can see that if we rotate the triangle, it matches the original position 3 times. So it has rotational symmetry of order 3. Now, if we draw mirror lines, imagining the shape folding up and matching exactly, we can see the equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Now have a look at these other shapes and the difference between rotational symmetry and line symmetry. Thanks for watching Minity Maths. Check out the channel for more maths videos.